Hey, how's it going? How to shorten machine screws. Short ones. Shorten short screws. Over here are some short machine screws that I need to shorten just a bit more. The method I like to use is square nuts and a Dremel size cutoff wheel. As you can see, I am not looking to shorten them much. I will use the nut to set the amount of end I want to trim off, and washers if needed to space it additional. Okay, this is why I use square nuts. I'm going to take the screw, clamp the nut in the vise nice and tight, take my cutoff tool, and trim off the end. Another bonus of the square nuts is that it helps guide the cutoff wheel to give you a square cut. And just like that. Of course, it's going to be hot. And next I'm going to take off one of the nuts. So that I can clean it up on the grinding wheel. Now I could just use the grinding wheel to take off the end, but I run a higher chance of shooting the nut across the room and having fun finding it. Now when I use a washer with the nut, I'll remove the washer, replace the nut, and then clean it up on the wire wheel. Over here is an example of the screw I've shortened compared to one that is unshortened. Quick side note, always use thread locker on throttle body, throttle plate screws. It should also be mentioned, if your machine screws are longer, you can use a common wire tool to shorten them. They have holes that are marked by thread size. You just thread the screw through like so and squeeze it to cut it off. Now this method does not work for shortening short screws. You just end up messing up the tip. and not removing much material. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Peace out.